Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your networking with Meetup, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Meetup app on your smartphone or visiting meetup.com on your computer. Create your account by signing up with your email or connecting via your social media profiles. Once your account is set up, complete your profile by adding a profile picture and a brief bio about yourself. Next, explore the different categories of events featured on the platform. Choose categories that interest you, such as technology, art, or business networking. Use the search bar to find specific groups or events happening in your area. Join groups that align with your interests by clicking the Join button on their pages. Take note of upcoming events by viewing the calendars of the groups you've joined. RSVP to events that catch your eye to secure your spot. Prepare for the event by researching attendees or speakers listed in the event details. Arrive at the event on time to make the most of your networking opportunities. Be open and approachable, engage in conversations with other attendees. Ask open-ended questions to facilitate deeper discussions. Exchange contact information with new connections to keep in touch after the event. Follow up with individuals you met by sending a message or connecting on professional platforms like LinkedIn. Keep attending events regularly to expand your network and build lasting relationships. Join discussions in meetup groups to stay engaged between events. Utilize the feedback and discussions after events to assess what you enjoyed and learn for future events. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.